Antonym of Manufacturing. I want to title something based on Chomsky's book Manufacturing Consent. The text would be about a movement that uses social media to fight against mainstream media's attempt to manipulate information. Would demanufacturing consent make sense? Other words that would convey the same idea and still reference the book title.
The title Deconstructing Consent may capture what you're after. Deconstruct, to break down into constituent parts, dissect, dismantle.
How about dismantling consent? Dismantling, incidentally the last definition given by NAMI for deconstruct, seems to convey a careful taking apart of components that suggests the opposite of the careful putting together of components that manufacturing suggests.
Dismantling works only if the endpoint of your effort is to see the components of the manufactured consent laid out for view. If, on the other hand, your aim is to undermine fraudulently manufactured consent and foment widespread dissent, then demolishing consent would better capture your purpose.
How about a neologism and a direct connection to Chomsky's title on manufacturing consent? It appears the expression is already out there, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.